Former Arlington police chief who was fired in 2020 after being charged with 3 counts of aggravated assault has been acquitted of all those charges.
WALB News 10's Lena Allen spoke with the former police chief about the verdict.
Yes, Cora Baker tells me she's at a loss for words after being acquitted. In a 2-day trial, the judge ruled evidence against her was insufficient and directed a not guilty verdict for counts 1 and 3 of aggravated assault. As for count 2 of aggravated assault, the jury found her not guilty after a witness recanted previous testimony. In December of 2020, Baker was fired as the Arlington police chief after the GBI was called to investigate a domestic violence and aggravated assault incident involving her and her ex-boyfriend, Timothy Hatton. The incident happened on March 4th of 2019 at her Baker County home. At the time of the incident, Baker was a sergeant at the Terrell County Sheriff's Office. Before the March 4th incident, Baker was already facing 2 other charges of aggravated assault, one just 3 days before, when she says she fired her gun in self-defense.
I definitely understand how victims feel because I became a victim.
Hatton still faces charges out of Baker County that include aggravated assault, false imprisonment, and battery that stemmed from the incidents in 2019. South Georgia District Attorney Joe Mulholland says Hatton's recanted testimony led to Baker's acquittal.
The trial, he tried to say that no, there was the gun was shot, but it wasn't pointed at anybody. The GBI's initial investigation showed otherwise, obviously.
Baker tells me she not only became a victim of domestic violence, but also the justice system.
We would hope and pray that the system works for us, but I had to experience firsthand that it doesn't always work in that manner.
Right now, Police Officer Standard and Training Council is reevaluating Baker's certification as a law enforcement officer based on the GBI's investigation and trial testimony. Baker tells me regardless of their evaluation, she will become an advocate for other victims who are treated unfairly in the justice system. Lena Allen, WALB, your hometown news source.